Hello everyone, welcome again, and today we will see how can we install MySQL 8.0 or any version of MySQL from the scratch. So currently in my machine I have completely uninstalled the MySQL. So before that, if you are going to install any MySQL server with Workbench, you have to make sure it's completely uninstalled from your machine. So how can you verify inside your machine or not? So the first thing, you have to go to your control panel, go to program and features, and then check here, do they have any MySQL installed over there? So it's not in my case. And other thing, you have to go there, go to your C drive, the default location I'm telling you, and go to the program files and check here, is there any folder with the name of MySQL. After that, you have to go there again in C folder, go to the program data. If this folder is not display here, go to in your view part and select the option hide items, so it will display the hidden items, and then go to the program data and make sure here also any MySQL folder is not available. That's okay. Now go to the Google with the internet and check MySQL 8 download. Open the download MySQL installer, the official website. Download this MySQL installer. There are two versions. Like this will not require an internet connection. It will contain all the required files over there itself. And there is another version 2.3. So we'll download this one. We'll download all the required library automatically. So it's downloaded, and now just run it. So when I hit the run button, automatically it will ask me to launch the installer, and there are the two-time pop-ups, so I just click yes. Now the installer window is there, and select the development profile, like developers default. Click on next and click on next. Yes, it's asking for some missing libraries, so I just click on yes, so it will automatically install all the things, and then click on execute. All the files are selected here. Now what it will do, automatically it will download some MySQL servers from the internet. So MySQL servers, MySQL Workbench, MySQL for the Visual Studio, MySQL Suite, all the like complete MySQL, whatever the things we required in the MySQL will be displayed here. First it will download all the resources, and then it will install in the machine. Also, if you want to see the process what's going on in the backend, you can check it here. So in the console section it will display here. So let it be download, and make sure when you're going to install it, it might come a different window in your case if the existing like files is available in the machine. So this solution is for this fresh machine only. So there is the MySQL is not installed over there, and the site. So if you see here, the MySQL at 0.28 is downloaded. In some case here is an error, so we can try again, but it's not required thing, so I'm not going to install it. But if I hit the try button, it will complete the process. So let's wait for a second. Okay, so this time it's downloaded done completely, and then I click on the next. Now I need to execute. When I hit the execute button, it will automatically install all the required things, like MySQL Server 8.0.28 is going to install now in my machine, and it's done. And the next thing is MySQL Workbench, that is the GUI to operate the MySQL operations. So it will take some time, so I will get back to you. Okay, so installation is done. Now click on next button. Again click on the next. Then that you can verify the port number is running on 3.3306. If you are running a fresh MySQL server, then it's fine, but sometimes it says the port is already in use, so you can change the port from here. Click on next. Again click on next. Here you need to enter the password, and make sure you remember this password. By default I'm entering root here, and it will require you, once you have created application or development part, during the development part, when you create a connection with a MySQL, you will require this password. Click on next again, click on next again, execute. So automatically that services is execute and start the servers, initialize the database. It might take some time, it's depend on the system processing. Click on finish, click on next again, click on finish, next. Enter your password that you have just given, check the connection. As connection succeed, click on next, click on execute, and at the end click on finish. So the MySQL is done. Now you can see the MySQL Workbench is automatically launched. If it is not launched, go to in search box, enter here for the MySQL Workbench, and you can run it from here. And open the connection, and here you have a database. Okay, so this is the dummy database from the MySQL side, and you can create your own database. We'll see like some other tutorial how can we operate this MySQL Workbench. Also, uh, in the next, we will see how can we uninstall completely MySQL from the Windows. Thank you so much for the watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Get more videos like this. Thank you.